So you receive a welcome email like this, which means your school database has been created and an admin account has been created. So you click on set new password to create a new password for your admin account. And we'll click submit. So we'll click sign in to your account. So you'll be presented with a configuration screen on first startup. This allows you to further configure your database. So the first screen here, or the first tab, is your school details. So here you can provide your website and your SMS sender ID. And this has to be 11 characters or less. Here you're required to upload the school logo, the principal signature, and the head teacher's signature. Okay, so now we have our images uploaded. We have our logo, principal signature, and head teacher's signature. So we'll go to the next tab, which is the grading. So note that we have a video link at the top of each tab. So this gives you a video tutorial for the tab in question. So we're not going to spend much time on explaining these tabs. So you can just easily click on the video link and watch. So here you're supposed to either create a new grading system or use the standard one. So the standard one gives you predefined values in there and also allows you to create a new one. So you can tap on create new and create a new one. You can also create from existing. Then we have the assessment settings. So here is where you're going to set the different assessment settings for CA1, CA2 and exams. So again, you can see that we have the standard one selected. If you've created a different grading system, you can select it here and it would apply to it. So assessment settings works with the grading system that you created here. You can click on the video link at the top to watch the tutorials here, similar to the grading system. So on the classrooms tab, you can see a message there that says you need to click the save button to confirm. So again, you have predefined classroom values on there. So these are the predefined classroom names. So you can select any class group. So this is the primary class group. You can see we have it as basic 1 to 6. So if your school uses primary instead of basic 1, basic 2, basic 3 and all that, you can easily just come and change this to primary. So I'm going to do this one. Again, notice that there's a video link at the top which explains everything in details. So you scroll down and you click save. So this is just to ensure that each section has been updated. So even if you made just one change or you have made no change at all, you need to accept the default changes. So in our case, we made just one change and we click save, and notice that this has been validated. So we have two tabs that have been validated. So we can just go ahead and just accept the standard settings for this particular one. I just click save on here. So next will be the subjects. So for the subject, again, it's similar. We have predefined subjects, and as you can see, only one class is selected. So if you need to create a new subject, you need to ensure that it does not already exist. So for instance, if I want to check if social studies is already in the system, I'll type social and click on search, and you can see we have social studies. So before creating a new subject, make sure it does not exist already. So as you can see, we already have social studies. So all I need to do is click on edit and specify the classrooms. Click on save. So this has created this subject for me. And to confirm that, you can go to your subject. So, and there you have it, these three. So last is the records. So now we're done with subjects tab. So next would be the records tab. So this is where you import your student and parent records. So again, notice the tutorial link at the top. You can watch this video for more details on how to import the student records and the parent records. So next you have the user. So next you have create new users. So this is where you create user accounts for other teachers. So as the admin user, you're responsible for managing other accounts. So to create a new user account for another staff or teacher, you can just tap on this link and share this link with the staff. So once the teacher creates the account, you receive an email to approve. Once you approve, they will be able to log in with a teacher role. So on the records tab, we need to import the student and parent records. So you can see a message there saying this current student count is 5. These are the pre-populated test students. So we can check them out. So if you go to students, you can see that we already have 5 test students. You can delete them later and import your actual students. Great, so I've created 5 new students. So we'll now go back to the setup page to get a green check on the last tab. So to get there, we go to options and configuration setup wizard. And we click on validate. We have all greens in all the tabs. So let's take a look at the home page and see what it looks like. That's the dashboard. And there we have it. We're all logged in. So you can see your dashboard. And notice that we have click here to set the current academic term. So we need to set that. So we go here, and currently at the time of this video, we are in second term. So I'm going to click save on that, and we'll head back to the dashboard. And there we have it. We're all set and good to go. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. At Bluerain, we're dedicated in bridging the gap between school challenges and digital solutions. Visit bluerainonline.com to get your free one-time trial today. Plus, refer a school and get 50% commission. Let's transform education together. See you on the next one.